Basis risk is a common hurdle for investors using derivatives or hedging strategies. Let's look at why your hedge might not perfectly protect you. In finance, basis is simply the price difference between two related assets or instruments. Basis risk occurs when that gap moves in an unexpected way. Most investors hope a hedge will perfectly offset losses, but in reality, the assets rarely move in lockstep, creating a gap known as basis risk. Basis risk stems from three main sources: using similar but not identical assets, differences in location, or maturity dates that do not align perfectly. Most investors know about market volatility, but basis risk is the hidden factor that can make your hedging strategy fall short of expectations. This chart shows how a hedge might cover most of a portfolio's movement, but that remaining gap is the basis risk that leaves you exposed. Remember that no hedge is perfect. The goal is to reduce your exposure to a level you are comfortable with, not to achieve perfection. Understanding these nuances helps you build more robust investment strategies. Subscribe for more deep dives into how markets actually work.